Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So let's cover Ethereum in this video. It's been a while since I have made an individual video on Ethereum, and I think this is a good time to actually do that video review on Ethereum. It's about 12 p.m. Eastern here in US, Monday morning, or well, afternoon. So let's cover Ethereum, all right? And I will talk about Bitcoin at the end of the video, kind of give you my perspective on Bitcoin, how it's looking, and what might be some of the outcomes for Bitcoin going into this week. All right. So before we get started, as usual, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit those notification and those bells icon, so you can get this content right away. If you think this video is helping you with your trading and your investing in crypto market, then do give me a thumbs up. That really do mean a lot. All right. So let's get it started. Ethereum is trading around 396 right now. So last week I was mentioning that Ethereum was trying to break out of this this downtrend that is have been sitting in this almost past couple of months, and it finally did. It broke out, but it did not have too much volume on it. I haven't seen a volume pickup on that breakout yet. All right. That being said, Ethereum is looking much stronger than overall market compared to the big coins like Litecoin, Ripple, or like Bitcoin. All right. So overall, it's looking much stronger compared to big 3-4 coins from the market cap. And I think Ethereum overall, I think it has seen its low for a time being. If there is even another market sell-off, and if Ethereum goes to maybe 350 level, I believe that's a very good buying opportunity in Ethereum for a long run. All right. Few things fundamentally that shifted in a negative way for Ethereum is a lot of ICO that were coming into the market in November, December, January timeframe. They were using the Ethereum platform, but now since there's the fundamental shift on the ICOs. A lot of new ICOs are not coming into the market at the same pace, and that also got affected. Obviously, Ethereum got affected due to that, so you have to keep that in mind. But Ethereum does provide really good solid platform for ICOs and a lot of new projects that are coming into the market, and that in future that will come into the market. And to back that up, they have a strong team. So that's always a very positive note and a sign for a coin that you want to hold on for a longer term. All right. Overall, the market, I think that's 350 mark in Ethereum will most likely hold unless we have a major negative event that occurs within this week or so. But I'm pretty confident that this low of 350 that we made last week will hold up in Ethereum going into this week. Now that being said, you always wanna if you are something who's not comfortable using their stop losses, then maybe you wanna start with a smaller position and then add on to a position in case if it comes down a little bit lower to maybe 350 or 340 time or that level. So you want to buy it in the phases, right, to get a better price average. But I think Ethereum, for a long run, it's a good project, and the price action right now is telling me there are fewer sellers in Ethereum, and the remaining ones will be the buyers. All right. For the target, I mentioned last week that Ethereum, the first target that I'm expecting in Ethereum is going to be around 450, and I still stand by that 450 will be the first target in Ethereum. From here on, we are trying to get some support from the 11-day moving average here, but we'll that really will dictate with the overall market strength. Bitcoin right now is trading at 6,700 right now. I think we have I don't think, even if we get a push toward the downside, I don't know if it's going to be a significant push, just because the sellers are not as strong as they were earlier into last week or week before that. All right, so selling power is really declining, and if once that occurs, once that happens, the buyers will step in and try to push the price action higher. All right, so recap on Ethereum. The first target, I think, is 450 is a very good first target for Ethereum. I think it's pretty oversold at this point, and it's really a good coin fundamentally to be holding it for throughout the 2018. So it's one of those coins that, yes, I would completely, I do mining for Ethereum. So just a full disclosure, I do mining for Ethereum and Bitcoin. So overall, I think this is a coin that can run as the first target, as I say, 450, and perhaps the second target will be around 550. All right, in order to achieve those target 1 and target 2, we do need the positive market, overall positive crypto market. Okay, all right, so that's Ethereum. Let's talk about Bitcoin real quick. So Bitcoin, it tried to get out of this downtrend. Volume, again, it was pretty diminishing volume. It did not pick up. The key is we want to make sure we are not making the newer lows here. We want to make sure this consolidation that is happening right now, it doesn't go beyond that, or like beyond like that 6,400 level on the downward side. There will be a breakout. There will be imminent breakout. It's hard to tell right now whether it's going to be up or down, but there will be an imminent breakout. I'm a little bit more bullish on the breakout will be on the upside, but we'll find out. So maybe I would say 55 to 45 scenarios, or maybe 60-40 scenario right now, for the next 24-48 hours for that breakout. All right, as I said before, bears are getting tired. There are not enough sellers to push this price action lower, and even if we do, I think that will create a really good buying opportunity. Okay, so that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. All right, so recap on Ethereum. I think this is a good, anything under the 400 level will be a good buying opportunity for Ethereum, and I think it is already looking stronger compared to overall market, compared to big coins. First target 450, second target 550. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to do some altcoins later in the day or in the evening, and we'll go from there. Talk to you soon.